Hello, everyone. Welcome to the first episode of the Answer Lounge. So, on today's video, we'll be creating reports with Inside Zoho CRM and use those reports to create a dashboard chart or any component of your choice based on the report that you have created. So, you can apply this on any module on your Zoho CRM account. But in this case, for this example, I'll be using the contacts module and applying a filter based on the lead source. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to your reports module with inside Zoho CRM. And when you're inside the reports module, you can select on new report and select the primary module of your choice and click on continue. So once you're here, if you have any module that you want to relate to the context module, but however, this works if you have two modules linked with the lookup field, then the second module will be shown from here. So in this case, we won't be applying any a secondary module, then we can just click on continue. Then from here I can just remove some of the columns that I don't want to include within this test. So I'll just remove them, remove all the contacts, and then let's just apply a lead source field. And I'd also like to apply a owner, contact owner as well, and save it. Right, so now I have all these contacts that are available with inside this report. So let's just try to run the report. So this is the report, but right now I currently would like to create a chart based on this report. As you can see right now, this is just the information that we have applied. So in order to create a chart, let's just save the report first, and let's just rename it as lead source, and let's save it to accounts and contacts report. Perfect. So now the report is saved and the name of the report is called lead source. So in order for us to be able to use this report and create a chart, we need to edit the report and add what we call row groups, right? So in row groups, we're going to apply it as a lead source. So the row groups will be your x-axis within your chart component. Click on done and save the report. So once the report is saved, you can see now we have the create chart option. Then we select that create chart option. And then from here, if you would like to select the type of chart that you want from this report, you can be able to apply that. So in this case, I'll just select the column chart and click on save. So you can see from here, we have different lead sources that are available within the account and also the record count within your y-axis based on the report that you have created. So you can also be able to apply a filter on the report, and it will also filter on the lead source as well. So if you want to include this to add to your dashboard, you'll also have this option. Whereas another option that you can do, you can just come here to your dashboards if the report is already created and it has a row group added as well. So you can just come here to add components and say chart and select from reports. So if you don't have a row group, you won't be able to see this option. And then we can just go to your contacts report and let's just search it. So lead source report, and then you select that report from there. And then we can apply this as test chart. That's why test chart, and we can just save it. And as you can see from there, you will be able to create that chart based on the report that you have created. And you'll also have an option to add this to your home page with inside Zoho CRM account. So that's it on how you can create the chart based on a report. See you on another episode.